What's up? It's your girl Shannon Renee with another video. So today's video, y'all, I have another headband wig. Yes, another headband wig. This headband wig is by NiaWigs. So I have tried a headband wig from them before and it was bomb.com. So they sent me another one. This one is a straight. I think it's about 22 inches. We're going to open it up and see what's inside. But yes, definitely I get very, very excited about my headband wigs because I cannot get enough of them. I'm telling y'all, if y'all don't have a headband wig, y'all need to go get y'all one because it's very, very easy and convenient. You do not have to worry about doing your hair or anything. Throw it on and go, literally. I love fast and easy hairstyles. It just makes my life so much easier. Yes, they sent me the straight wig, so we're gonna go open it up and look inside. So as y'all can see already, I have my hair already molded. So usually I try to start my videos off with a wig on or something. I don't like to start my videos off looking like this, but today I did. My hair is already molded as usual. My hair just in a back ponytail and I have a stocking cap on my head. Only maintenance you have to do for these half wigs, and that's only if you want to have a leave out, is doing your edges, which is something that's quick and easy too. So let's go ahead and open up this wig. Oh, so before we get into this video, make sure you go ahead and subscribe. Make sure you go ahead and comment, share, like. Y'all, it is free, so I appreciate y'all if you do that for me. If you are watching again, thank you so much, you guys, and I appreciate you. But yes, we're gonna go ahead and get into this wig. All right, so as you see the title, this is NiaWigs. I already took the plastic off. I think it took about a week to get here. Let's go ahead and open it up. Okay, so when I first opened this box, these are the headbands that it come with. And I think they have like 4 different options of headbands that you can choose from. You can use your own headbands, but the wig do come with headbands. So hey, why not use them? But these are just like regular, look like I have stars on them, but different colors. You get to choose the headband you like. Here is the wig. This is 20 inches. So I do see the color is dark brown because my hair is black and I leave my hair out. So again, you do not have to have your edges out. One thing about these headband wigs, whatever color you get, you should better put on and wear, you know, the headband to cover your hair so you not have to show the color of your hair. But I love to have my own hair out. I always say just because I like to give it that natural look. It is optional. This is nothing you have to do. This is what I do. So I see that this dark brown and my hair is black. Okay, y'all, so this is definitely dark brown. I don't know if y'all see that. Yes, it is dark brown. Especially, you know, like you can see the brown color. But this is 100% human hair. This is 20 inches. Again, this is NiaWigs headband wig. So the hair is, like I said, this is straight. So I am going to have to straighten it. That's fine, we can do that. I have my curling irons. Yes, I'm gonna plug those up and we can go ahead and do that. All headband wigs are kind of made the same. So just gonna go ahead and get the detail of this wig. So this wig do have 3 combs in the front. You have the headband, the elastic band, the Velcro, and then it also have the adjusters in the back. So I do know some wigs do have the adjuster in the back and some don't, just because of the actual headband itself. Once you use that Velcro, it really, really fits good on your head. So that could be why some don't come with adjusters, but I do love the adjusters, so I will take that. These headbands take less than 2 minutes to put on, unless you're kind of like messing with it. I am going to straighten this, so it's going to take me a little more time. But it look like, you know what, y'all, this is more, it's a dark brown with some highlights. I'm just looking at the color right now. It look like it's a dark brown with some like blonde highlights. I never wear this color. Like I never wear this. Look like a number 4 mixed with a color. Hey, that's the first time for everything, so we're gonna try it out. I'm gonna go ahead and put this on. Okay, y'all. Okay. So I had a straight one before, but it was synthetic. So let's talk about how fast I just put that on. And it's basically already done. But I am going to straighten his hair just because it was bundled up in a package. This is the lazy way. I'm just going to run through it. Very fast. I really hate curling hair, y'all. Just gonna give it a few bumps. I'm not gonna do too much. As y'all can see, I just straightened it just a little bit, and I'm gonna put on one of these headbands. Okay, y'all, let's try this headband on and see how it looks. Okay, y'all see this. So another thing I love about the headband wig, they're very versatile. So I thought this color was gonna kind of like not go on my skin tone, but I feel like it's okay, it's not bad. Hey, we're making it work. This is cute like this. The side ponytail. I'll have to go in there and get rid of it, but yes, the bun. It says up, down. Yeah, this is like my most favorite hairstyle to wear with the headband wigs. But I know y'all get the picture. I'm loving the headband wigs. The hairstyles I did, literally, like I said, took less than a minute to do. Yes, I'm feeling it. Feeling it too much. Make sure y'all go check out this wig. I will leave all the information to this wig in the description box down below. So make sure you go ahead and check that out. Again, this is NiaWigs. Shout out to NiaWigs for sending me this unit. I'm feeling myself right now, so I definitely gotta go take some pictures. It's like literally, I think it's about 6 o'clock in the morning, y'all. It's 6 o'clock in the morning and I am recording this. Yes, I wanted to do this wig because, baby, this wig is cute. Love NiaWigs. Go ahead and make sure y'all check them out. Let me know what you think about this wig. But I really feel like this one is cute, the straight one. I can play with this one. I can curl it. Like I said, it's 100% human hair, so you can do many things with it. Crimp it, curl it, whatever. Definitely, I just went over it with some flat irons. This is not even the straightest. I literally just went over it real fast. Honey, I got this together. It's cute. But I will see you guys on the next video. Thank you guys for watching.